3 minutes to the gentlelady from Illinois, Ms. Biggert.
The lady from
Illinois is recognized.
I thank the gentleman for yielding, and I rise today in support of the resolution. But I really wanted to support the previous resolution, which I was in a conference. As the co-chair of the High Performance Building Caucus, I'm delighted to join my colleague and caucus co-chair, Congressman Rush Carnahan, to recognize June 13th through June 19th as High Performance Building Week. This is House Resolution 1407. Last week's celebration was marked by numerous events, including Hill briefings and off-site green infrastructure tours. And I'd like to thank the National Institute for Building Sciences, the American Society for Landscape Architects, and the National Institute for Standards and Technology for organizing these tours through the last week. Congressman Carnahan and I first formed the High Performance Building Caucus in 2008 to heighten awareness and inform policymakers about the major impact buildings have on our health, safety, and environment. Through monthly briefings, we explore the opportunities to design, construct, and operate high-performance buildings that reflect our concern for these impacts. In fact, since we first started this caucus, we've had almost 25 briefings on everything from lighting technology and building modeling to smart grid, facilities management, and green job creation. Understanding how every element of a building affects us and our energy bill is important. Buildings consume 40% of the energy used in the U.S. while emitting 39% of U.S. carbon dioxide emissions. Perhaps a more surprising statistic is that Americans spend, on average, 90% of their time indoors. With this in mind, new building construction and sustainability of our current building inventory is more important now than ever. Consider two statistics from the U.S. Green Building Council. Students with optimum daylight in the classroom perform 20% faster on math tests and 26% faster on reading tests in 1 year than those with less daylight. Improvements in indoor environments are estimated to save $17 to $48 billion in total health gains and $20 to $660 billion in worker performance. Most importantly, a 2009 McKinsey study on energy efficiency demonstrates the potential for the residential building sector to reduce its energy consumption by 35% over the next 10 years and 40% in the industrial sector. For these reasons, Mr. Speaker, it is important that we maintain our commitment to and awareness of high-performance buildings and the benefits they offer society. We could not honor the goals and ideals of High Performance Buildings Week without thanking those groups that have helped us over the last 2 years. Dozens of building and standard organizations make up the High Performance Buildings Congressional Caucus Coalition. I know I speak for myself and my fellow caucus co-chair when I say thank you for help educating, researching, and advancing the goal of high-performance buildings. With that, Mr. Speaker, I yield back.
The gentleman from Missouri is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I just want to add again my thanks to